Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Realme 9 SE. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If your device is having any issue related to the headphone jack or the earphone jack, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in my video. Follow the steps in watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Realme 9 SE. Let's watch the video.